Good morning, students. So let me continue. That is the part 3 itself only. What we have understood the theory regarding to the working microscope. Students, this is the microscope. You need to practice also. It is helpful. And one more thing, you need to know each and every part how it works because you need to handle the microscope for the 2 years. Okay, let us go through as I told you. So this is the compound microscope. It is called as a compound microscope already, which I started in a last class. Compound microscope, it is called as a compound microscope or ordinary ordinary microscope, also we can call it as odd. We can call it as it is a light microscope also. This is the common microscope where we are using in our labs. Okay. So students, let me explain each one of the part of the microscope. So this is what the eyepiece, students, and this is the eyepiece lens. This is the eyepiece lens body. Okay, this is the topmost layer is the eyepiece lens. This is the eyepiece lens body. Next to this body. Okay, next to this upper part. Actually, we can divide the microscope into upper part and the lower part. So upper part, which is going to consisting of that is a IP bodies, and this is the next is the lower body. So this is called as a lower body of the microscope, which is a cylindrical or a tube like structure where we can say. So to this tube like structure, so there will be a C-shaped, okay, C-shaped arm, we can call it as it is the structure will be in the first C shape. Okay, this is called as a arm. So we need to handle by holding. Actually, the holding of the microscope is just like we need to handle. We have to hold the handle with the right hand, and with the left hand we have to put below the, that is a foot region. We have to put the hand, left hand. Okay. So let's continue with the structure, students. So that is nothing but a light, which is a light microscope, what we are going to call it as. Since with the help of ordinary light or the with any type of a source of light, we can use this microscope. So this is the tube, as I told you. This is the C shape, that is a handle where we can say. And to this body, it is going to consisting of a lower part of the body. Upper part of the body, IP lens, which is going to present. Lower part of the body, which is going to present the nose piece. This is the nose piece, and this is the objective lens, as I told you. So this is the eyepiece. So this is the body. Upper part of the microscope, it is having the body. This we can call it as the body. So to this it is going to be present. It is all made up of with the optical instruments, students. Okay, it is all made up of with the optical instruments. So here, this above to the body is the eyepiece, and below to the body is the objective lens. So here it is going to be attaching the C-shaped arm. Okay, and to this upper part of the microscope, to the body itself only, it is having the coarse adjustment and a fine adjustment. So this is the stage, students. That is below this, what we are going to see, this is the stage. So this stage, what will happen, it will be having the two clips. Here I have shown the only one clip. Here I have shown the only one clip, but we are having on either side, on either side there is a one more clip also. So that clip, it is a present here one, and one more it will be present. Okay, so it is going to be present one more clip here, because a pair of clips where we can say on the stage it is a present. Because to hold the glass slide, the glass slide is nothing but where we are using the slide to place the sample. Okay, that is a glass slide, that is called as a glass slide. Okay, see here, slide, where we can say slider. So on this we are going to place the sample. That this slide we are going to place it on the stage. This is the metallic plate, where we can say the stage is made up of with the metal. So metallic play stage, where we can say, so this stage which will be having a pair of clips, where it is going to have the slide. On the top of the slide we are going to see the sample. Okay, so what we have to observe, so that can be observed through the eye lens. What are the powers, students? What we have studied in our part 3 first video, that is a 15x, 10x and 45x will be there in the eyepiece. Whereas coming to the objective lens, it starts from the 15x and 45x and even the 100x, that is a high power. The 100x is nothing but the high powers. These are the objective lens, these are the condenser. This is the, actually this is the nose piece, students, sorry, this is the nose piece, students. Nose piece, it is a movable, so it is a movable, it can be moved. Okay, so whichever the power of objective lens we require, that can be moved. And coming to the stage, so stage, it is a metallic sheet, metallic plate, where we can say, this is what we have understood the upper part of the microscope, students. Now we are going slowly to the lower part of the microscope. So this is the stage, students. So stage, it is having a pair of clips on, and even at the center of the stage it is having the hole. Why it is having the hole? Because to focus the light from the below, okay, from the mirror. Fine. So this is the stage. So below the stage we are having the foot, that is a U shape foot. So this to hold, to stand. So the foot actually is made, this is the foot which helps to make to stand all the parts of the microscope. On the basis of the foot itself only other parts is also made up of. Okay, so this is the lower part of the microscope. Now what we are speaking, so this is the stage, and this stage below we are having the U shaped, that is a foot. And this is the, after this metallic sheet, this is the stage, this is the stage, student. So after this stage, below part we are going to see the diaphragm. So this is for the diaphragm, is nothing but the knob like structure. This is the fine adjustment also, where we can say for the light. And this is the condenser. So along with the condenser and the diaphragm which is present, which can magnify the light or to focus onto the slide. Okay, so this is the mirror, as I told you. So first the light will be fallen here and it is reflected to the stage, and from the upper side, so from the upper side, from here, what we can see the through our eyes, with the help of our, that is a eyepiece. Okay, eyepiece, that is through our eyes, that's why the word says like that. And this is the objective lens. Here these lens are going to be focusing to the sample. Okay, so let's go through. This is the mirror and this is a U-shaped arm, and there will be a knob. Okay, inclined joint, where we can say, so this knob, inclined joint, it is the making the connection between the, which will be in the triangular shape, students. This inclined joint. Okay, this will be like from the foot to the knob to the microscope, like this it will be connected into the form of a triangular. So this finally which is going to connect for the foot and the microscope, that is the upper part of the microscope. So these are the parts of the microscope, students. So let me explain in detail, that is when you are having a class with me as a live class. So by showing or by giving the microscope into your hand, I'll explain there also once again. Okay, thank you, students.